Hear me now or no? Can you guys hear me now? Yeah, it looks like YouTube is acting up, but let me just double check there. Are we getting any audio? Okay, so you're hearing me. Okay, I see what happened. Good, 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 good. So let's go back to what we were saying here, since a few of you did not hear me. We had a channel on crude oil. That channel broke yesterday around that 10:17 Central Time. Market came and now is retesting that bottom end of that channel. Simply, if the market goes back up to 88.04, it will generate a buy signal called the captain setup. And then our target is going to be 89.27. If we fail to make any strong move up here, then we're going to start rotating back into this channel. So we're patiently waiting for that to conclude itself. Now we're looking at Russell 2000. Beautiful captain setup long, right at the middle of the range. And the market established a new harmony wave off of it. Hit target number 4, close to target number 5. Now they're pulling back a little bit. So the rotations are still long, but we're coming into this 4 to 5 targets. The target number 4 to target number 5. And that is a range that the market tends to pause and back off, so that we're seeing a bit of that happening. But as long as we continue to trade within this channel that we are in, that's channel number 2 right now. Ultimately, Globex is going to be the big deal for today. As long as we continue to trade above Globex, things are going to look to the upside, and we're going to be more inclined to get heavy on the long side than the short side. So a signal to go long in Russell would be a close of 1759.4. Globex is 1734.4. So that's what we're looking for here. Gold. I mean, they're beating that thing up right now, right? But they're putting a captain setup long, and this candle, if it couple of things, hold 1660.3, and this will go back up to Globex, which is 1672.8. So there's a bit of a buying interest here, but it's really unproven yet. So ultimately, any trade above Globex is going to pick up some steam. So you see what's happening here. Look what happened earlier on October the 9th. And see how well the price, relatively speaking, reacted to a captain setup long. Then they did a switch trade. So they could close this at 1660, but if they reverse it back in, then that would be exactly that same setup. And you're looking for a run up, in this case, to target number 3, which is 1679.5. ES, big deal. Good morning, Stephen. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We got ourselves, if we break 37.11 and a quarter, we are going to be retesting the harmony wave and target number 2 at 36.93 and a quarter. And we're going to see how this market is going to react to that. Ultimately, the rotations are still long, but look at this behavior. I mean, even within a long market, you will have pockets of extreme selling interest that are fairly lucrative. I mean, getting short at 36.93 all the way down to 36.30. I mean, 30 points are significant in ES, even though the whole structure is still long. So we need to be paying attention to that. If we break that level, then we're going to be getting a pocket of shorts coming in. Tesla, we need to see how the market opens up in the morning. And if you remember yesterday, We talked about this level and the captain setup that we saw on the 100 NT Rinko and the 200 NT Rinko that happen in and around that 500 level, and how significant this is going to be for the next few days. Now you're getting a continuation behavior that is getting us to the target that we talked about, which is target number 2, 270.75. We got close enough to that one, and we're looking to see how the market react to 11,402. I mean, in today, you're going to see a two-sided market. I feel like that's what we're going to see. So you have to kind of be flexible in your thinking. And if the market really shows a pocket of sellers, then just follow that. And if it reverses and give us a pocket of buyers, we're going to have to follow that as well, and not get stuck to trading one side of the market all the time. Okay, so gold on a daily, it's struggling here. We talked about that one. ES on a daily, same kind of structure you're seeing in NQ. We're close to target number 2, and the overall structure of the market on a daily basis is still short, but this is such a massive reversal that we have to take note of it. And on a long-term basis, pullbacks are viable here against these low levels, and targets are 38.10 and target 39.01 are very high probability on multi-day, multi-week potential here. But that doesn't mean within a day or within few days we are gonna not retest some of these levels. It's just you have to understand that the market made an emotional reversal yesterday, and that is not a one-day event. Okay, yeah. Good morning, Omer. You're on the road today. Good morning, Poolman. Good morning, Gary. We got Josh. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Okay, let's talk about Apple. You need to see the market open. We need to see SPY open as well, and Microsoft. Okay. All right. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to the cash market open. Now we are going to be digging a little bit deeper here and look at the 200 NT Rinko and NQ, and we will see that the fact that the market just reversed. So it hit target number 2. I mean, to the tick. See how the first reaction to these levels on these targets, these harmony targets, are statistically significant. Even though, I mean, sometimes they become a huge reversal that will signify a momentum change. And we're seeing a bit of that going on right here, where they literally touched it and reversed. So what does that mean? That means at the open, we're looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. And the next target of that sequence is 40. So from 65, or where we at right now, to 11,140 as a target. We're going to test two levels, the 89 and the 213. We want to see if the market gets there, how the market is reacting in there. Okay, so we need to be conscious of that at the open here. The 100 NT Rinko is what is this? It's a short as well. So that's what we're going to be looking for. 88, 89. We're coming up to that level as a first touch. ES. Let's take a look at ES. Same thing. I mean, it literally reversed that candle at 37.10, got down to 37.05, and the market is retracements back up. Retest of 37.10 and 37.18 are significant. So here you go, cash market open. I'm gonna post an order right now just to make sure that I'm getting executions, and here we go. And cancel. Okay, so that looks good. And make sure that you know that every day in every way we're getting better and better and better at trading. Every day in every way you are getting better and better and better at trading. So let's it's a Friday, so let's make it a successful day, and let's get it going here. So they tested they tested that 89.90, and they're showing a bit of strength here. We're gonna have to look at that 15 and see how well they act. Okay. That first 15-20 minutes of the market, it's gonna be in a crazy town. The good part about how today is setting up is the fact that we're not trading around Globex. Good Lord, that thing is. Here we go. So that's pressure. Okay, that's good. 40, here we come. That's the pocket. Go back to that 90. Look at that madness. Yeah, be patient. Don't be eager to put on any trades. Patience is a trade. The target to all this rotation that you're seeing here is 140. We got close enough to it, but that's the natural progression of price if this is gonna close lower. And right now, we're experiencing a bit of pressure on the market. So we're gonna let the market do its thing. That first 15 minutes, just keep reading it, make assumptions. Okay, what do I think the market is gonna do? Make 5 of these assumptions, 5 of them. And if out of those 5s, with an entry and exit and a stop, so you're saying I'm gonna get in here, I'm gonna get out here, and this is my stop. If you make 5 of those assumptions and 3 of them are accurate and or more, then that qualifies me and you, at least me, to actually trade live. Here comes that 40. 200 NT Rinko and the 100 NT Rinko are in sync on the short side. And we're going to see that push. We got the push. We got the 40. We got the 30. Here you go. I'm going to step away for just a moment. Alrighty. So it's 8:40. Yeah, Sheila, I just stepped away for just a moment here. So the market ran to that 40, then ran to that 15, reversed in a meaningful way. All right, let's see the test here at 62. We should be running up a little bit here. Let's see if we get to 89 though. Then you got another retest at 40. So we're getting action in the morning here. I'm electing to kind of be patient and just watch right now and see how this behavior plays out. I like that short in this pocket to 40 and lower. And then we're looking for, since we had this reversal, the market now is disconnecting between the 200 and the 100. Like right here at that 41, which, okay, so they're coming in a little bit fast. They're coming in a little bit fast. I'm gonna go long here, taking that first target, and let's see if I can get anything more than that. Nope. I'll take another long. Okay, that stopped me out. Yeah, this is a bit choppy. Let's see if we can get ourselves. Yeah, okay. Yeah, they're weaker here. Weaker than I. If they're gonna break this level right now at that 114, then that sets the stage up for another potential rotation lower. Here we go back to retesting the top end of um, the Globex band. 41. What time is it? It's 8:43. The next target is Globex at 64. Wow. Let's see if we can get a test here and see 40. Let's see 40. A couple of things got to happen. The 200 and the 100 are short, so I'm looking for a rally to get short into. And we're looking for, here we go. I don't know if they're going to give it to me though. Or a new fresh harmony wave. Target is Globex. Yeah, well, here you go. Here comes the Globex. So at the top of the hour, in about 14 minutes, God dang, look at that. We got preliminary consumer sentiment. That's going to be a big deal. That's coming up right at the top of the hour. So we took two trades early on, one for long, and we made 5 points. Took another one once the market made a captain setup switch trade and got stopped out for 10 points. And we were looking for shorts, but we never got a rally to get short into, and the market just flushed in. So we will be patient and wait for the market to kind of give us the clue to what to do next. It's early in the morning. That first half an hour is always tricky. Plus, we got an news at the top of the hour, right? 89. Look at that. Globex is a big deal. ES is doing the same thing. Uh, Actually, it's a little bit stronger than NQ, but 80 and a quarter is Globex. And you're going to get a little bit of a fade against it. But ultimately, if we break below that, the market is going to speed up on the short side. See, whenever the markets start doing this kind of noise, where they put 200 into Rinko short, then reverse it, 200 into Rinko long, and then reverse it, that tells me that we have to be very, very careful here and give the market a little bit of time. And now we're inside this consolidation phase. The question is what to do right here. And here is patience. I'm waiting. Disconnect between the 200 and the 100. You got a potentially a retest of that 114. So they hit that whole number or close to it and came back in. That tells me sellers are here. They're active. And they're flushing people under Globex. And you know what they typically do in that scenario is they reverse it and run it back up and try to get the shorts to get out of town. They do that a few times before they settle down on a direction. Again, we got that news in 9 minutes. Don't want to get active or get in any trades right now. There's a captain set up short on that 70 NT Rinko at that 65. Well, that's attractive. That has a target of 994 against that 100. Here it comes. It's coming. Target number 2 in this sequence is hit. And what I was talking about earlier is this. Captain set up short at that 65 area, and it has that 994 and a half target. And we need to clear the Globex band and head toward that target. You know, what prevented me from taking it is the fact that we're coming up on some news, and I don't want to be in a trade trying to manage it ahead of that news. Plus, you get a lot of, you know, volatility during that time anyway. The Globex band is that dashed line, that big one, the purple one. And if you look at where I'm pointing at, I'm pointing at the number 11,064.75. That's the Globex open. The band is the actual color. You see that box that we are in? That's the opening range, opening band of price action. And that typically you see a lot of consolidation in and around that level or within that box. And in order for you to see momentum, you really need to break away from that altogether. Yeah, let them play a little bit. Five minutes to the top of the hour. Yeah, I saw that one, Omer. I saw that one. That was a nice one. It just didn't want to get involved before that announcement at the top of the hour, but it was a good signal. Did you jump in? All right, guys, can you look at the quotes? Tell me if we're in sync here on price. I'm showing, where we at 74, 68. Are we in sync here? Come on, bro. Yeah, I'm checking on that pool, man. Thank you. Are we still different, or we are the same? Spontaneous, yes, yes. That's the plan. That's the plan. ES is continuing to retouch Globex, and it bounced back a couple of times. Let's take a look at the 6NT Rinko. We saw that it came in a couple of times, third and fourth. So they're trying to, fade this area here. You just have to remember, YouTube is also like 20-second delay. So you're getting that too, Pullman. Boom. That's the news right there. Adios, amigos. Ooh, doctor. Market is sick. Need a doctor. Target number 5. Well, we're about to get target number 6 here in a minute at 9:07. Well, I mean, the news, we talked about that. It's the sentiment news. Let's take a look again. It was preliminary. Okay, consumer sentiment, preliminary, uh, co- consumer sentiment and inflation expectation. So obviously they didn't like it. That's at the top of the hour, and that's what we were waiting on early on. Question is what we do here. That's just, I mean, when they dump the market like that, kind of leaves me looking for scalping. Well, yeah, yesterday, yeah, yesterday was crazy. All right, let's focus here. So they tested this two of these levels, the 65 and the 91. 65 and the 91. Hmm. So there's testing the 91 again. Yeah, the market sold off on that one, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bit of a reversal pattern here. Okay, so the 91 is not holding. I mean, actually, this is the second retest of it. It looks like we're gonna run up into that 14 and close. I want to see that first happen. 1475. I want to see the market close 1475, then pull back, and then I will start looking at a long in the market. Right now, the market is out of sync after retesting a couple of important levels, and the shorts are struggling here. I mean, I can give it a shot here if they close this candle up. We'll see. We should be breaking 14. Yeah, here it comes. That's fine. That's fine. Let them do that. Let them come back in. And I'm going to look at 90 as an add anyway. Thank you. Thank you. Ah, I got greedy. I got greedy, guys. I hit my target and I didn't take it. That is my bad right there. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if I can get back. 890. Let's see if I can get back up there. Didn't they get 62.63? $62. I need my stop to be 39 anyway. Okay, and I need to see where that is. That's 62. 62. Man, I missed that target big time. Market was moving quite fast. But let's see if I can get in 64. Yeah, I don't want to get in here. Don't like it. Let's see if I can get back a run to the 40s. My target on this thing is 40. My target is 40. It needs to work through some pain here to get there, but we'll see. You got to clear that 11,000, and that's a bit of a struggle. Man, what is wrong with me here? I'm gonna have to take a break even stop right here, and it's either gonna work or it's not. Ultimately, a break above 11,000 is what I want to see, and or I take a break even on what's happening right here. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Thank you. I gave it a try. Tell you what, man, it gave me money. It gave me money twice. Uh, that one up here was a good one, and it just I did not act quick enough, to be honest with you, on that one. But that's fine. Let's just keep working. Yeah, they reversed that candle. They reversed that candle. So the market is so they keep these doing these one candle reversals. So there's not a lot of follow through. I mean, we had a little bit of follow through on early on, but since then these candles are not holding up. But we managed them fairly well for the most part. I think I'm down a little bit of money today, but not much. Let me see here where we at. Yeah, it's no big deal. All right, let's just keep working. Jimmy, just you could sign in for our mail list, and we'll send you information about the strategy. And you could obviously watch YouTube, and it shows you some of the ideas we have and how we do it. Okay, 9041. We're gonna sell off again here. Target number 4 is 20. Target number 5 is 900. See, Steven, I mean, the numbers could be better, but the market just decided otherwise. Maybe start taking scalps. Let's see if we can find a couple of good scalps here. $65. So 65 and 40 are the two levels that we need to test, and or we need to be looking for a new harmony wave to step in. One of those three conditions need to happen. We already tested 41 a couple of times, so I'm not really interested in that level. But 65, if we get there, or if they put on a new harmony wave. ES, you had an inception trade short that started at 36.6175, hitting target number one. Rallies are shortable against Globex, and you're looking for target number two. Target number two is 36.09 and a half. I get it. I mean, they're establishing a new harmony wave here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, they flipped it. We're looking for that. I mean, they're getting back up to that 41. So you're seeing a lot of consolidation here. Basically, that's what you're seeing. Yeah, they closed that candle. Boom. It's 9:20. Next target in the sequence is what? Let me see here. Oh yeah, the 800. Is it possible? Is it possible that they will retrace this market in 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 that big of a way, where we break? I mean, they're basically moving it to Globex of yesterday, 860, and 860. Most likely, we're going to see a bit of a bid coming in. Okay, but obviously, we got to get there. I mean, we're at that level anyway. The market, the 200 NT wrinkle and the 100 are long. I mean short, excuse me. So really, what I have to see 940 show up in order for me to go long. But I recognize this area as an area the market can at least at a minimum pause. Do I want to get cute and start fading this? This market has the capacity to really truly run in any direction it wants. So I'm not going to anticipate anything. Either it's going to give me a signal or not. Now, if we get to 880, that would be captain setup long on a lower wrinkle bar, but it could be good for a scalp to the 90 and the 900. So that could be a play. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh, wow. There you go. There you go, that 880. Don't ask me why I didn't take it though. Don't ask me. Don't ask me why I didn't take the 65. Man, that really ran up like a good almost 20 points. If we break 95, I'm gonna jump in. Gonna post an order at 95. Yeah, come on. It should be worth more than that. Should be worth more than that. So let's see if they hold the line. So I got in, made. Here we go again. Let's see if I can hold. Here it comes again. We basically made about 150 bucks on this trade, but should have been worth a lot more into that 910, 920. So they put a captain setup switch trade on that trade, and that's what got me involved. Uh, they gave us a minimum of one candle, which is our minimum target. So this area is only scalping. Scalping on the long side, scalping on the short side. It's just, I'm not going to be kind of overcommitted. So that 60, 65 got a hold. And if that happens, then you have a chance at closing 902. See, that's the next thing that I was looking for. Was looking for the 902 to hold, and that would have set us up for a run to 915. And if that holds, you got a 934 close, 940 close. So that could still happen. It may not happen exactly the way. Yeah, here we go. I mean, it's happening right now. Now, the 200 and the 100 are out of sync, which means that you're getting a minimum of consolidation and there's bids coming in. You get a retest of the 915 right now. And here, the shorts can come in and try to fade this market. And if they don't, then we got a chance at that 40, which is happening very quickly. Look at this. Oh, boy. But you saw what the progression of the idea here. See how they came to that level. We said they're coming into Globex of yesterday, and that is an area where buyers will start stepping in, trying to fade this behavior. So the 60, 65 or the 60 to the 70 area was important. So we tested it mentally, saying, okay, well, if they're going to hold on to this and then put on a captain setup long and another captain setup long with a switch trade, all are buy signals in this area, then this market has a bid coming in here. And you have a choice, either take a bit of it or just wait for the market to close above 40, which they got very close to it and they're fading it here, and then start looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. That 40 needs to happen. Here you go. They closed that 40. So now let's play the game. Can I get in? That's the question. Or are they gonna? A couple of things got to happen. Either they're gonna retrace to 13, or they need to give me a new harmony wave long. One of those two things got to happen. Target number 3 is hit again. I mean, they close this candle up. I mean, I may take a chance at it. I may have not gotten in right here. Let's see. 25. That's gonna pull back. That's fine. 14. 21. And I gotta get involved in 88. And put a stop at the bottom of that candle. $88. Okay. All right, let's see if I can get anything bigger going on here, which is 65. If we break that 40, I may start adding to it on pullbacks, but we got to see what this market is all about here. If they give us a signal at 30, I'll jump in as well with another ad. $90. We got to look at the 90. Hmm. All right. They got me on that one. They keep doing the same damn thing. Ugh, yeah. Okay. Keep doing the same damn thing. Run it up, and these pullbacks are not holding. I mean, it gave me opportunity here, another opportunity here, and I think I'm a little bit stubborn today. I wanted to see us reversing and going up and making that big 2 to 3 candle run up. It's not happening. So I'm going to take a step back and let's see where we're at for the day. I'm probably down a little bit of money. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. It's no big deal. We're down 2 grand right now. And let's just take a break, watch this market a little bit, and we'll come back at it and see what it's all about. Yeah, bounce back, huh? Sneaky bastards today. They are sneaky bastards. I gotta take my stop though. Can put my fate in the market and just let it ride here. So I had to kind of take my stop where I took it. Now let's take a quick look at what the market is doing. And they're testing the 90s and watch them test the 14 now. Oh yeah. Here we go. The 14. I got to take a short here if the market reverse. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay, let's see if we can get another one here. Can we break below 900? If we do, then we'll can test the 90s. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, at least we got something out of these guys. We got a little bit off of it. Let's just keep working. Let's keep working. So basically, they tested. I don't know what's going on with the price action today, but it's just even my quotes seems to be a bit trying to catch up. So I mean, they test. I mean that entry right here, man. I mean, it would be gold right now, literally gold. But again, you got to take your stops. You got to take your stops, and you got to put your trading in perspective too. Yeah, very slippery, but we're gonna keep playing this game. Like if I look at my week, I mean, it's not important really, but everything is relative. Here we go. That's how the week looks like. So we had like 2200, 1800. Yesterday, I closed the room at 3100, and toward the end of the day, I had a couple of trades, so I made a little bit more. And right now, so far, we're down $1,600 for trading. So I mean, it's if you're looking at summary, we're up $8,000 for the week. So the point of that is just simply just keep working, keep working, keep working, keep working. Take the next trade, take the one after that. Now we got an important thing going on. 939.50. You get there, you may see me getting aggressive. And I'm going to take some risk. That would be a captain setup long on the 100 NT wrinkle. I mean, on the 200 NT wrinkle, 41. Let's be specific. Yeah, 39 and a half, 41. It's 10 o'clock, top of the hour. ES is about to do the same thing as NQ, which is a run up that's going to put a captain setup long. I gotta wait for it to happen though. I can't just, and like we're like few points away from it happening. And I'm gonna just like add every dip. Yeah, I may have gotten in a little bit early, but here we go. All right, here we go. All right, give me. And I'm gonna add here. I'm gonna add everywhere. I'm just gonna add and add and add. There you go. Now here comes the greed part. I mean, they're giving me money. They've been giving me money all day long. It just I haven't been taking it, and I've been looking for bigger targets, and they're just getting faded. So 70. Can I get a 70? I mean, I could get 70 off of it. Come on, baby, let's go. I got to take something here, so I may not hold on to it. Okay, I'll just take it right here, and I'll look for the pullback and see if I can get in. Yeah, whenever I needed to get aggressive with more size, but I was hoping for it to come here and pull back, and then I can get a bit heavier. Like right now, I mean, I'm glad that I got out actually, but all right. So what's the Ninja Trader machine ID? It's let me show you what it is about. Okay, on Ninja Trader, you click on Help, and you go to About, and it gives you this machine ID. We need that machine ID in order to activate your license as a Harmony Trading. When traders purchase the Harmony Trading system, we use that code in order to activate their license. So if you're going to my website to try to get a free trial, we need that. That means you need to have Ninja Trader on your system to install the software for you. And if you just want to be in the room, you don't need that if you don't have Ninja Trader. And 70, boom, 70 happened. That's a free license I got for being a vendor with Ninja Trader, Gary. I get multi broker license with them. I have that plus my own license. So you got a captain set up long on ES and the same captain set up long on NQ. Pullbacks are buyable here. We hit target number 4. So that decision that I made gave me about $435. So we're chewing through the drawdown that we're having today. This is very important. I mean, we need to look for an entry in and around 40 and a potential entry around the 14. I mean, it ran decent, came back to 36.49 on the 6 NT Rinko and got to the 56, and now it's pulling back. So you got to take profit along the way here, and or hold for a bigger run to. Let's see here. Potentially the run to 36.67. Here we go. Let's see if how they're going to handle that 40. So they're at that 40. Here you go. Let's see what we're going to deal with here. 80, 89. Yep. All right. Obviously, I'm out of sync with this market, man. I keep trying for these big moves and it's just not happening. So we're going to take another break and come and look at this market again. That's going to hurt a little bit. Yep. Yeah, we're looking for big moves in a market that is not providing it. We're not getting the follow through in NQ. Now, what happened if they reverse it back all the way back up to 65? Then I have to go back again and get aggressive and go from, because that's the captain setup switch trade long. I mean, watch it run all the way back up. Here you go. So we took a big hit on that one, 65.58, and we're just gonna have to keep working through it. All right, guys, let's see here. Okay, so they're bouncing it right back up. So can we get back to 940? 40 and a quarter ES is coming back to retest that captain setup. If they retest it and get back to that 50, then I mean that's a good sign that the market is stable here. I'll take another shot at this market, but that's about it for me. One more shot, but they gotta break that 40. I mean, this market is telling me it's more of a scalping environment than a swing trading environment. But let's watch. Let's see if we can get up to 40 or not. All right, here we go. If they put a switch trade here, I'll get ahead of that 40. I'll get ahead of it. We'll see. And add to it if it gets to 40. That's a captain setup switch trade. Okay, okay. All right. So obviously, I'm not even in sync with what's going on here. Not in sync. Let's see here. They got to get up to that 40. They got to get up there. I got to put my stop right here. It's either going to happen or not. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. That'll be my last trade of the day. Not going to happen. All right. Not tradable. Not tradable for me, at least. I'm just out of sync with this market. I mean, that's what it is. I'm out of sync. Out of sync. So let's see here. Nice little chunk. 8 grand. We're going to call it a day. Yeah, I manage my risk a lot better than this, be honest with you. But it's today I'm off. It is what it is, and we will just do better tomorrow. I mean Monday. So I mean, when I look at today, I'm going in spots that are typically will hold. Okay, I understand they don't hold. I think the issue here is I'm sizing up and holding for the full stop, and not taking the failures as a failure of the setup, but an opportunity to add. And that's what why I'm taking a bigger drawdown than I would typically do. So it's just the nature of the market and the nature of what how I'm interacting with it. Mhm. Yeah, well, thank you, Alfaron. Appreciate you, man. I mean, I gotta look at my overall. Let me see here, analysis. Okay, here we go. It's be honest with you, even when I look at it, hey Gary, it's is it easy? Is it not? I don't think it matters if it's easy or not. I think it matters how you manage your risk. And I think today I I I got aggressive, and I wanted, like, you got a captain set up long here. Your pullbacks are typically buyable. Even for a run up, but they're not holding them, and I just got stubborn with them. So here you go, you pay the price. But I kind of made a decision today that I would not give back all my week. And that is so true. Alpha Alpha Horn. It is so true. And typically, uh, my biggest drawdown days are after a huge run. And we had a very nice run in the past. Uh, yeah. So for the month, including today, we are up 17,660. So basically we're up about 17 and a half grand. And if we look at the day today, and that includes today, the 14th, And for the week, we're up even after this debacle here, $1,175 for the week. And I don't mind taking that money and calling it a week. Yeah, Gary. Yeah, Gary. I get it. It's one of those things. And nothing works 100%. Yeah, no steak dinner for me, Gary. I'm talking to the Gary in the room. Uh, uh, yeah, he's saying ramen noodles for you. Oh, PJ. Oh, okay. All right, PJ. That's one thing about trading, man. I don't care who you are, what you do. You always got to smile. You always got to you take your stops. You take your trades. You learn from them and become better every single day. Every single day is something different. You have to be at peak performance every single day too. And whatever you do, don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. It's part of doing business is to take risk. And as long as over time the trajectory for your equity is up, then and you're following the process, then it's all good. So we're seeing here how they're even against that captain setup on ES, they're fading it. So they give us one candle, could not reverse back up to 36.49. It's the same thing happened with the 40 with NQ. It couldn't get up to that 40, and we anticipated the run up to the 40. That never happened. And then I mean the market is just challenging the lows of that cap, and if they break it, they're gonna flush this thing, and really what they are doing it right now. Yeah, no soup for me. Yeah. I got too cute with this market. That's all. I got too cute. Slap me around. Yeah, I love that too, Suarez. Oh yeah, they're gonna flush everybody here. Woo, baby. Boom. Yeah, that's another thing that I love to do too. It's very relaxing. I try to wake up as early as possible in the morning and actually get it done. So, I mean, the question I have here is two things. One, if I continue to trade, am I in sync enough to where I can make headways? And I'm not trying to make money back. I'm just trying to put on good decisions. So that's the first question I have for myself. And and it just I don't think I'm in sync. Maybe if I take a break and come back, I can shake it off and make better decisions. Or maybe just call it a Friday and call it a positive week. I'm still up $1,100. So that's kind of questions I have. Yeah, it's a bit erratic. I mean, it could be erratic this morning and be more clear in the afternoon. Yeah, we're down a bunch today, Samuel. 8K. Yeah, I know, aren't they? Like I can, so like literally, if I kind of focused on just taking the harmony waves and scalping, the day would have looked a lot different. But it seems that the market, it just breaks the bottom and pause and reverse, and they just keep doing that. I mean, they did it multiple times, and now they put on a cap and setup, ran it, and now they're breaking the low. So that tells me that yeah, we got to see what they want to do. Yeah, I'm not worried about it. Not worried about it. All right, so what's next? 865, 890. Yeah. And I mean, they walked it down. I mean, that's for sure. They are walking it down. And I wouldn't be surprised if they start running this thing back up a little bit here. That's just the way the day is looking like. Okay, stop bragging, Gary. Stop bragging. I'm talking to the Gary in our private room, not you, Gary. Yeah, stop bragging. Oh, they're pushing, they're pushing, they're pushing. So they started the harmony wave right here at 841, 880. Then they put on inception trade short at 867. Actually, they put a captain setup short on that 50 NT Rinko. All right, so interesting things. 54 becomes a captain setup on the 70 long on the 70 NT Rinko. So should I even contemplate this? Let's see here. 55, yeah, 55. I know, Frida. They get you all. I'll take it. Just one itty bitty contract. Yeah, well, you're not the only one, Ken. Yeah, they got to break that 55 in order for me to play that game. Hmm. Okay, all right. All right. Not playing. Not not playing. Not playing. I canceling that dumb order. Not playing with these guys anymore. Uh, I'm going with 300 blackout, Gary. Yeah. So, I mean, you could look it up online. It's you could see. I haven't bought any in the ammo yet, but I'm still building it. It's actually a lot of fun. I was gonna go with a 458 SOCOM, but kind of changed my mind. Oh, look at that. Okay. All right, we got it's 11 o'clock. No, it's gonna be a pistol. It's gonna be a 10.5 inch pistol. James, I know we're supposed to be talking, but I'm going to send you an email here in a moment. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for me for today. There's a couple of things. Remember, precision is a decision. Always trade in harmony, and we will do better Monday, and we will see you all Monday morning. You guys have a good one.